Hi, today I'm going to show you how to configure a logical volume on an OpenVMS system. I'm actually logged in into a OpenVMS system which is running 8.4 kernel. You can see over here, and the name of the node is Tejas. So the system is already configured with some of the fiber channel devices. You can see over here, these are the devices that have been configured. So I'm going to show you a new device, how you can actually add it into the OpenVMS system and then get it discovered and bring it online. So first of all, we need to figure out what kind of a device we want to add. So in my case, I'm going to take a 3-power device. This is a 3-power graphical user interface, and I'm going to quickly create a virtual volume and name it as a test VV2. And I want to make sure once the device is created, I want to export it as well. So one of the things you need to note with the 3-power is that the 3-power provides a way for OpenVMS host to be identified through a UDID, and the UDID is very necessary for OpenVMS host. So there is something called as an advanced option over here, what you can see over here. Once you click there is something called as identifier field. This is where 3-power allows a user to add a UDID. So I'm going to go ahead and add a UDID by number 100, number 1000. Normally the UDID could be from 1 to 32K. So that's what is the UDID number that is supported by OpenVMS. So I'm going to create a thinly provisioned volume with the 12 GB space and then assign a disk group or the volume group for that. I'm going to just tell finish. So once this volume creation finishes, actually 3-power actually prompts me to present this volume or export this volume directly to a host. As I said, my host has been already configured and it's named as Tejas. And I'm going to make sure that I'm clicking an auto button because the LUN 0 has a very significance value or a significance for the OpenVMS host, and it's considered as a controller LUN. So the 3-power wouldn't allow even if you live with the LUN 0. So we want to make sure we just pick the auto option, and once you tell finish, the 3-power has already exported the LUN to the Tejas host. You can see over here volume ID, which is a UDID of 1000, has been presented. Guys, show dev DG, that 1000 device is not shown up over here. For making sure the 1000 device shows up, there is a tool called as Sysman. Sysman is a automatic system management tool which allows you to configure and configure the devices. So I'm going to use MC Sysman auto configure IO devices, and then I will slash it with log, which indicates that the device it's like a verbose mode. It allows you to provide all the details. So once I do this, sysman IO auto configure, and then I will slash it with the log. So you can see that the device has been detected, DG8000. So since this 3-power is connected through 4 paths, actually you will see 4 devices getting discovered, and the multipathing will actually make it as a single device. So if you see the device would have got discovered, and the device has come online as well. So you can see over here, and this is a 3-power device and it's online and it has 4 paths connected to it. So this concludes the demo where we showed how to configure a 3-power virtual volume and how to present it to the OpenVMS host and how OpenVMS host is discovering that LUN. Thank you.